Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about set actions in Tableau with a simple example. So in this dashboard I have created 4 buttons for central, east, south and west regions. So when I click on any region, then this chart subcategories by sales is going to update with the percentage of sales for a particular region for that subcategory. So what you can find from this chart is 1.96 percentage of sales of subcategory accessories is from the region east. So when I select south, so 1.19 percentage of subcategory sales, subcategory accessories sales is from the region south. So let me do it from scratch. So first I will drag subcategory into row shelf and sales into column shelf. So let me get this in a percentage. So right click on sum of sales and choose this option quick table calculation and click on percent of total. So I will get percentage of total for each and every subcategory. So keep pressing on control and drag this into label to see the labels in the view. So now I am going to create a region set. So right click on this region, then choose this option create, then click on set. So create set window will open and name the set as a region set. So I will let it be as a region set and I will select any one region, or it's okay if you don't select any region because this region set is going to change dynamically when we change the region from dashboard. So for now I will use all, then click on OK. Then drag this region set into colors. So I have selected all regions, so we can see only in category. Okay, so now I am going to rename this sheet as subcategory by sales. Okay, and now I am going to create a new sheet for creating the buttons for every region. So click on new sheet and name it as region buttons. Okay, now drag region into column shelf and I will add index to each and every region. So let me use the index function and I'm going to change this to discrete, and from the marks card choose this marks type square, then in the entire view. So let me increase its size and now I will drag region into colors. Okay, so let me drag region into label so we can see region name. Let me change this alignment to center and I will change the font size of region name. So click on these 3 dots and select this region, increase its font size and let me select Tableau bold. So I will change its color to white. Okay, and now create a dashboard and I will drag this region button and subcategory by sales in the dashboard. Let me remove this set. So now when I click on any region, there is no any action in this subcategory by sales sheet. So I need to put action for this view. So click on this dashboard and click on actions. So click on add action, then choose change set values from these options. So add set action window will open and name this set as region set. Region set. Okay, so source sheet I will select region button at the target set sample superstore region set. So running the action will assign values to set, clearing the selection will add values to set, and run action on select, then click on OK. Okay, so now when I select let me adjust this. So I will hide this title and I will uncheck this show header, hide this subcategory by sales title. So when I select any region, then the subcategories by sales sheet is getting updated with the percentage of subcategory sales and highlighting the percentage of subcategory sales for that particular region which we have selected. So when I select central, it is updating with for example, the subcategory binders is highlighting 2.48% of sales is from central among this total percentage of sales for the subcategory binders. So this is how to use set actions in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.